We're going down under, mate. The Dianas are going down under and we're so excited.
What are you most looking forward to? What's your biggest stereotype?
Shopping.
Okay.
We're gonna try some treats from down under. Lily and Alex already made a video.
G'day, mate. A nice crunch.
What should I start with? How about Cheezos?
Yeah,
Cheezels.
Get the cheese out of the way.
I don't like things like this. Sorry. Sorry. I actually don't
You know, normal people food.
No, okay, they're cheesy.
Ashley thinks she's not hard to please. She's incredibly hard to please. She doesn't like breakfast, anything breakfast. The only breakfast she would ever admit to liking is a breakfast buffet at the Ritz-Carlton in the Maldives. That's the only breakfast that she'd be like, you know what, I like that. Or tell them about another one that you would like. Go on, it's on the tip of her cheesy tongue. What's another brekkie you like?
I enjoy tropical buffets. I enjoy tropical buffets. What can I say? So sue me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tropical buffets at luxury resorts.
I don't enjoy a American egg breakfast.
What do you think of Cheezels? Twisties are better.
I mean, it's okay. That's okay. I can see why people like it. A Twisty, the cousin of a Cheezel.
I think they're better. Like it. I like it.
Tiny Teddy. What is 100, 1,000?
Hundreds
Tiny
of thousands.
Teddy.
Instead of sprinkles, hundreds and thousands.
That is
what they call it.
That is ridiculous. Shapes. A shape is a Vegemite and cheese cracker in the shape of Australia?
It's upside down.
In the shape, is that how it goes?
Yeah.
In the shape of Australia. Flavored biscuit. I like that better. I would have that over all those. Now we have the Australian classic. They gave us a little sample. Here, we're just gonna literally do a dippity-doo of it.
Are you sure?
I've never done a dippity-doo.
You're not gonna like it. This is the mistake that people make when they try Vegemite. They try it like this and then they say, oh, that's disgusting. It's like, well, yeah, you ate a fucking spoonful of it.
Yeah.
You're not supposed to like it in
I
that
know,
form.
but it's actually, I mean,
No Australian.
I didn't have too much of it. It's okay.
No Australian would say, that's great. That's a great way to eat Vegemite. Just straight up like that.
I actually don't think it's that bad.
Okay.
Clearly I'm on a salty kick.
This is a Freddo Frog. Freddo Frog's pretty solid. Hundreds and thousands style.
That is, so let me get this straight. In America, you're saying that 100,000 is a sprinkle?
Yeah.
They replaced the word, or we shorten the word, whichever way it goes. Someone says, I want birthday cake with hundreds and thousands.
Yeah.
And we said, I'd like a cupcake with sprinkles.
Correct.
What is a better word? I'm gonna answer it, it is sprinkles.
Yeah, I think
it's
so.
cuter, it's shorter, hundreds and thousands, but Mom, like hundreds and thousands of what?
Do you know what fairy bread is?
No.
Fairy bread is when you get white bread and then hundreds and thousands, aka sprinkles, spread on top.
Hundreds and thousands.
And all the
Okay.
kids just eating it. It's gross. A regular Freddo Frog is fine. Caramello koala is
Well, there's
probably
nothing
more
wrong
where
with
it's
it.
at.
It's milk chocolate.
Is there a caramello koala? Okay, so this is a caramello koala. This is a much better thing.
I need like a palate cleanser in between these.
Okay,
You know what I
you
mean?
want some more Vegemite? This one's good. This is fine. And you do like caramel. You like caramel.
I do like caramel, but I don't like basic, you know what I mean?
I was talking about keep making these kind of videos so people understand just how high maintenance you are. There you go.
Okay, we have that here. Milk chocolate with a little caramel inside.
One time Ashley wouldn't fly across the country to see me because all I had was economy seats.
I had a rough week.
What do you want to have next?
Okay, I don't want to try the Freddo. Like this, black
Did I
currant.
give you Ribena?
I don't know what
Okay, when we do a British version of this, we'll have some Ribena, we'll have some Maltesers. You hadn't tried Maltesers until we went to England.
Oh, I'm out of whatever liquid. Oh, it's great, yeah. Okay, so.
Oh, you know what? There's a drink in Australia. You know
This
Lily's
is
gonna
called
love?
the Natural Confectionery Company Black Currant. I like that better, but I still wouldn't, none of this I would be like, oh, I'm gonna.
Yeah, welcome to Australia.
But I like that. You know what? It's pretty good.
Okay.
Cherry ripe. Okay. Well, I like fruity things. Cherry ripe. Does it say what it is?
Disgusting.
It says luscious cherries and coconut in a rich dark chocolate. Okay.
My mum likes cherry ripes. I'm not a fan.
Yeah, I would like this.
Okay, I'm actually not eating it.
Last but not least, I do know that this is your favorite, the Turkish Delight.
I hate this thing. It's torture to eat this thing.
Loves a Turkish Delight. I've heard you say how much you hate these. I don't, it's so cute though. It's probably the prettiest one.
It is very pretty.
It's very pretty. Turkish Delight.
Deceiving.
How much do you love me? You're gonna taste it. Oh, he loves me so much.
I can't even like keep chewing it.
Here, spit it out in a tiny teddy.
It's so gross. Yeah, awful.
I don't dislike it. I feel like it's elderflower with a bit of
Everyone's favorite.
chocolate. I like floral and I like berries. But I was gonna say, I feel like I like everything that people don't like, but if this is a Australian Delight, somebody else likes what I like too. I mean, I wouldn't go and buy one, but I mean, I would, if I was
My mom likes them. You can share
for
it.
Turkish delight with Nan. What was I gonna say? Yeah. Oh wait, but now these, I stuck these in your box too. They don't, do they actually sell these in Australia?
God, yeah.
Oh.
We had a Daryl Lee store on our tiny main street in
What do you mean
Grafton.
it? Oh, so this is like a Cadbury, the Cadbury of Grafton?
No.
Okay.
I don't know how to re-explain that sentence, so I'm not gonna bother.
This is the Cadbury of Grafton.
There's gonna be a lot of translating for Ashleigh in Australia.
I really like, yeah.
No, it's awesome.
I mean, this is actually the best thing. What I added to it.
Yeah.
So, but here's the thing, it's a hard test because like, I wouldn't buy any of it, obviously, but, and you wouldn't either. You're not like grab a snack pack for
If I was
them.
going to the movies and sneaking candy in, I would get some licorice. I'd get some of that.
No, I actually mean the other stuff.
I wouldn't get that.
Yeah.
No, but licorice is solid.
I think the licorice is really good, and this is strawberry. I do love a strawberry flavor.
Plant-based as well. That's good. Yeah.
Yeah, this is the only thing I would.
Yeah. Not like super unhealthy. Palm oil free. That's good. What are you most excited about for Australia?
Well, I already shared shopping and seeing your family. I'm also most excited about Lily getting to see all the great new places. I love when she gets to discover new places. So I'm super excited. Like when we were in London, she just had the best time ever. And such like great family memories. So
Yeah.
that's literally what I'm most excited about
It's gonna be
overall.
great.
Like,
It's gonna be amazing. Yeah. All right, guys. We'll see you down under. Bye.